The family heard
I
cries
walked
from a trash bin and found a
an
weak macaw
empty
inside, acting
land.
quickly to save it.
I knew
They
the
took it to a
pathway
veterinary
like the
clinic where it
back of
received
my
treatment and liquid nutrition.
hand.
Once
I
recovered, they
felt
brought
the
it home and cared
earth
for it. The
beneath
grateful parrot
my
stayed close to them,
feet.
seeking
Sat
affection, and
by
was
the
spoiled with
river
treats.
and it
They let it
made
try
me
tea, which made them laugh
complete.
endlessly.
Oh,
The
simple
intelligent bird mimicked words, amazed the
where
family,
have you
and even learned to open a
gone?
beer can for the
I'm
father.
getting old
Flying
and
freely,
I need
it always
something
returned
to
home and entertained
rely
itself with a
on.
small
So
ball.
tell me
The parrot became a
when
cherished member of
you're
the
gonna let
family.
me